This week we just finished our benchmark test, and when I looked at my scores, I saw that we still needed some practice with money and fractions. And so I made our centers deal around with money and fractions. And it's also March Madness. And so our teams are competing for points when they get their answers right, or when they get a chance, they get to shoot the ball and make sure that they get to add points that way. 75 plus 25 is what? 1. So 100 and 100 is what? Plus what?
How many was it?
250. Very good. I knew they needed to be interactive and engaging for all the students, and then we needed to make sure that I use different tools. So some are hands-on manipulatives, whereas other ones it might be a computer assignment like a Bookit or a Kahoot or something like that. And the other one is still paper and pencil, because you know what? They are in 3rd grade and we want them to start practicing with their writing. Sometimes they don't need, if they're in 3rd grade, so they don't need a lecturer. They also need hands-on manipulatives to get an idea of seeing it. You know, they can hear it, but they need to be able to touch it and practice with it and write it, and so that way it committed to memory.
What's your favorite part about this?
On the Chromebooks. When we did the part on the Chromebooks, those fractions and money. I'm still on my fraction part. We didn't make it to the money part yet, but we're about to.
My favorite part about today's lesson is when we do the fractions on the wheel thing. There's like a wheel, and you have to match the buttons to it when you do it. So there's like there's a fraction that says which one is shaded, and we'll put the circle there to see which one is right.
What I hope they take away with this is that we all learn at different paces, and that they can use different things to help them learn. You know, we talk about it as adults, our learning styles, but in 3rd grade they may not necessarily understand their learning styles, but that's why we have to give them different things so that way they can start understanding what makes sense to them. I'm super proud of my kids. Honestly, they try, they give me their best. We're knocking it out in a lot of other areas as well, and so this is just one of our weaknesses, and so we're just working on that so that way we can get to the top of that area.